How to turn off incognito mode in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to New Incognito tab. After that, as you can see, it has not been recorded in screen recording because the incognito mode has been enabled. So to turn off incognito mode, you can simply close the Chrome tab. Once you go back from Chrome and open it again, you will see that the new tab is not the incognito one. The other method is to simply turn it on, go to Incognito tab, and to change it, click on New tab. So that's it. That is how easily you can turn off Incognito tab on Google Chrome. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.